We've got some major updates for you in this video, specifically about Biden's Parole in Place program. If you remember, a few days ago, we reported that the Parole in Place program started accepting applications on August 19, 2024. And just a few days ago, a judge in Texas put a stay on this program. In this video, I'll talk about what the stay means, what is the future of this program, and what's going to happen to all the people that already filed on August 19 moving forward with their application. This program is going to help undocumented spouses of US citizens currently inside the United States who entered this country over 10 years ago and now trying to get their statuses fixed inside the United States. I'll tell you what this stay means, what's the future of this program, and who is mostly impacted by this temporary stay. So let's jump right into the video. So as you remember, I reported on a previous video, and you can see the video is linked in the description of this video, about the actual Biden Parole in Place program, also known as Keeping Families Together. The idea behind this program is that if you've been in the United States in the past 10 years before June 17, 2024, you've been married to a US citizen before June 17, 2024, you don't have a criminal record, you will be eligible to apply for parole in place inside the United States. Now, the caveat is that you had to enter the country without inspection. If you came here with a visa and then you overstayed, you have other ways to legalize your status by marrying a US citizen. This is specifically for spouses they entered illegally and now they're inside the United States trying to fix their paperwork. The way they're doing it right now is that at the end of the process, they have to file a waiver and then go to a US embassy overseas. Many of you who are watching these videos know that the wait for a visa at the US embassy is going to take 3, 4, sometimes 5 years. This process will allow them to get a parole in place, a temporary status in the United States, and then right away, they'll be able to apply for permanent residency inside the United States. But a Texas judge plus other 13 Republican states put a stay on this program just a few days ago on August 26th. And now there's a 2-week process right now where they're examining the program. And of course, now there's a 2-week stay. And during those 2 weeks, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going to happen, whether you can file or what you should be doing. So let's understand exactly why this happened and the implication for the program overall. So first of all, this temporary stay on the parole in place program is going to last for 14 days. Could be extended, but for now it's 14 days, which means between now and September 9th, you can still file applications with USCIS. But they are now going to make a decision on those applications during those 2 weeks. USCIS specifically made it clear, once again, they will be accepting those applications, but they're not going to be able to make any decisions until there is a court ruling. These 14 Republican states led this lawsuit, and the intention is they want to stop the program because they're saying that only Congress can make such big decisions. As we know, this is not true. The president has the power to make executive action. In this case, the whole point is to help people that are already in the United States in the past 10 years. Most of them are already going through the immigration process anyway. The point is that why make them suffer for 4 years, sometimes 5 years, being separated from their families if they have to go to US embassies overseas? The point is to help them stay together. Remember the name, the families, keeping families together. The whole point is helping the same people that are already going through the immigration process do it from here. Why are they stopping it? That is so unclear. During those 2 weeks as well, the judge needs more time to review the requests from the Republican states and see if it even makes sense to stop this program. But like I said, it already exists. People who are here in the United States are already going through the process. The whole point is keep them in the United States, keep those families together. And if they decide that there's a point to stay this even further, then they'll issue a further hold in the program. But for the moment, it's only for 2 weeks. Judge Barker from Texas specifically said in his order that he needs more time to review the program and understand the implications on the security of the United States overall. Essentially, the judge wants to pause this program to be able to give the courts more time to determine whether this program is illegal or what they've done should be reversed and find a different way to allow these families to apply for something like this or something similar. The point is that right now it's a critical time for people that applied for the parole in place program, because If you did this on August 19 and your application is with UCIS and you did your biometrics, then all we have to do is figure out what's going to happen if they decide to put this program on hold. What's going to happen with the people that already applied before they put the stay, and also before September 9th, which is the end of the initial 2 weeks of the stay. The bottom line is that if you're watching this now and you applied for this program, or you're thinking about applying right now and you qualify, which means that you're married to a United States citizen, you are here for the past 10 years, you don't have any criminal record, you don't have all the documents to prove that you've been here, you should consider applying, because we just don't know what's going to happen after September 9th. Now, guys, as always, I keep you posted with these videos, with new changes in the law. There's always things that happen. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate the messages you send me. Once again, if you're here for the first time, you're watching this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our notifications and any of the videos like that and our live events. And also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people like you. If you need help with your immigration matter, if you need help to file your parole, text me 619-483-4549. I'm here for you. Or go to www.immigrationasap.com. Leave your details and one of our team members will contact you ASAP. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that this program will be allowed to continue. It's a valuable resource for a lot of immigrants who are already here, who are already paying taxes, who are already going through the immigration process. Let them stay together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.